What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Today we got 3 wiper blades here for this 2019 Jeep Compass. I'm going to show you guys how to change these wiper blades, so just be careful putting anything on the hood, you don't damage the paint. So there's 2 here, 24 and 18 for the front, and this is the only brand I could get for this vehicle. In the back we have a part number here, and if you want to pick up this exact one, it's up to you. It's a 10-inch, and there's a couple of numbers here. It's only a 10-inch, it's 10-8. There's not, I mean, it's a little smaller. So we're gonna change all 3 wiper blades. I'm gonna show you how to do it correctly, effectively, and safely. And this thing is gonna cost you probably 30 bucks. Good wipers are gonna cost you about 30 to 40 bucks. And you don't wanna go pay the 150 bucks. And you don't wanna damage your windshield. So I'm gonna show you a couple of things that I do to avoid anything like that. First of all, as you can see, this wiper blade here is hanging. It's all damaged up. Let's just pull off this guy and look at this guy. Same thing with the other one and the back. So let me bring my camera closer and I'm gonna take this wiper off. One thing I do is I do measure my wiper blades. Like this one is the same length. So what I do here is, if you want it now, just take it out of this box and gently put it here. I like to take this guy and stick it right over here, just in case my wiper falls down and I don't want it to hit the windshield. So let's go closer. So very simple. What you want to do is you want to get something such as maybe a flathead screwdriver. So that's what I'm going to do. Go get a flathead screwdriver. And once I get a flathead screwdriver, all I'm going to do is I'm going to go behind this little guy right here, and I'm going to try to lift this guy open up, and this thing just lifts up. Grab this, you don't want to let this go, and there's a small little tab in the back. You're going to push on that, and once you push on that, you should be able to take this guy off very easily, just like that. So I'm not going to let this go, okay? If you let this go and hit the windshield, it's going to break the windshield, so just let it sit there. So this guy is aerodynamic. I could not get this wiper blade, so the shape of this, when it's wiping, the air hits it and it pushes it against the windshield. But simply all we did was we pulled on this tab right here. That's all we did. Just like a little tab here, and that releases a wiper. Looking at this one, same thing. You have a small little tab over here, but that's to remove it. To put it in, this is how simple it is. And you just clip it on. And what I want to do next is, it's going to be very important. I wanted to go do the same thing on the opposite side. So here's another wiper here. Okay, once this is on, it's safe. You still don't want to drop it, but if it does fall, at least it's safe. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over to this side next. You are far, but same procedure, okay? Same thing, okay? We're going to take our box here. We're going to just put it down here just in case. And what we want to do here is same thing. We're going to open this guy up, push on the tab. And the best thing to do here is have your wiper blade ready, just like that. Have it ready, and that way you can simply just smack it on. And once this wiper comes off, don't even let it go, okay? And you take your new wiper, you stick that in, and it clicks right in, okay? It clicks right in. So we're all done over here. Look at this wiper. Look at the condition of this guy right here. So this is what the wiper blade look like. And something like this, you be changing it every 6 months, which is a season. So let's remove all this stuff here. One important aspect. I am gonna pause my camera and I'm gonna come back with something very special. So I am back with something special. It's called a rag. What you want to do is, before you put this wiper down, you want to clean the surface, okay? It's wet. Maybe you want to throw some Windex on it, water. So you get this dirt and debris off. That way it gets a clear surface to meet. If you catch a dirt and debris in between, it's gonna cause lines. So we'll test this once we're done, but let's go in the back. We are in the back, so what I want to do is I want to take off my wiper. So this tiny little wiper looks something like that, and all it is, you see how this has more opening, so that's how it goes in. So if you lift this up, this is not gonna come up, okay? Very simple. Let me bring the camera a little bit closer. Let's bring the lighting closer. So this guy is not gonna lift. What you want to do is you want to take your 2 fingers, you want to stick it here, and you want to pull both ends of this. That's all we're doing. And this thing comes up, and guess what? And it's up, and all you want to do is you want to grab this guy, put your hand here, and do that. And this thing will come out forward. So put it back in. Same procedure, okay? It's not perfectly round. It has some type of shape in there. So you want to go back in the same direction. And once you push it in, you have to push it in at this angle. You see how this is at like some certain degree here? So, and you turn it back, and you'll feel a click, and will not come out. Now you can't take it out. It only will pop up at that certain position. So this goes back in. Make sure your surface is nice and clean. I left my rag there, but make sure the surface is nice and clean. And guess what? Bada bing, bada boom. Something like this is gonna save you a couple of $100. A lot of shops, they want to charge you a lot of money because of this. Anyways, thank you for watching, guys. See you guys on the next one. Give it a thumbs up. Bye-bye. Okay, before we go, let's crank up this vehicle and just test these wipers. Spray. Perfect. Let's see, I'm gonna do the back one next. I don't even know how to turn the back one on. Okay, the back one turns on from right here. The back one is running back there. But anyways, that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. Nice and clean, baby.